Play. Ayan kayo tayo.
Ako si Antonio Tibia sa husband Norman Tibia. Thank you sa yung ano ba?
Yung pinadala, yung 1,000 real.
Oo. Thank you.
Kay ma'am and sir. Ito, dito siya sa bahay namin. Ito, 88 years old na si tatay. Ito lang ang kanyang pagkain ngayon. This is the only food here. Ensure. Yung pinadala yung ano, yun, binili ko rin yung gata si tatay. Kasi 88 years old ka. Pakilala ka, 88 years ka. Ikaw magsabi.
Oh, 88. I'm 88 years old now. I thank you for
sige lang.
yung give your money to me.
To my husband, Norma Tibia.
By my wife, Norma Tibia. Thank you. Tell your, ask to your mama, ha? Okay, thank you very much.
Marunong ka pa mag-Arabic?
Hindi na mahirap na. Kunti na lang, yung
mga good morning.
Yung salta na
Arabo.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum salam.
Yan.
Your money, ang tawag lang. Ang sa pera nila pulos. Pulos.
Kasi si tatay galing din Jeddah.
4 years working in Jeddah.
Jeddah, KSA, Jeddah. Ayan o. Thank you daw. Thank you to you, ma'am, sir. And to your husband. Daughter. Thank you very much. Ako nga pala my name is Bernard, the third son of Norma Tibia. And my father is here in my house. Cause my mother is in my brother. Yan po. Thank you very much, sir. Good morning and take care always. Pasalamat siya kasi galing din kay ma'am, sir. Ito, gatas. 88 years old na.
Thank you very much. I'm drink now. I'm drink milk.
Okay, thank you po. God bless you all.
Thank you very much.
Ano ba yun? Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Walaikum salam.
Okay po. Bye-bye po. Wala pa si Maderi. My mother is not here in my other brother. Thank you very much.